So here's a truth that separates winners from strugglers. Successful people don't reinvent the wheel. They borrow it. So if you're trying to figure everything out from scratch, doing trial and error, guessing what works, while you're not building a business, you are exhausting yourself. And here's the hardcore truth. Reinventing the wheel is expensive. It costs time, it costs money, and it costs momentum. Successful people move differently. They look for what already works, then they plug into it. And that's exactly why this digital business makes sense. The system is already built. The automation is already running. The training is already proven. And you're not here to invent. You're here to execute. And here's the awakening moment. Ego reinvents. Wisdom leverages. And most people fail not because they're incapable, but because they insist on doing everything alone. So in this digital business, you don't start from zero. You start from experience, from structure, from a system designed to win. So if you're done doing things the hard way and want to plug into something proven, comment info down below or DM me and let's build smarter, not from scratch. Ito pang yung mentor Joanne. Maraming salamat po.